The following contest is a singles match set for one fall, and it is for the United Wrestling Network Heritage Championship. Introducing first the challenger from Los Angeles, California, weighing 220 pounds. He's gone by many names. John Morrison, Johnny Mundo, but tonight he is Johnny United!
LED Heritage Champion.
And the champion from the Valley of the Sun, weighing 175 pounds, he is the United Wrestling Network Heritage Champion, Papa